here, starting vehicle.
Here at Alfred E. Smith High School, we're a career and technical school. Every single one of our students are studying either graphic design, automotive body repair, or auto technology.
This school is fantastic because it teaches you various things about the automotive industry and can prepare you for a certain future.
Any student who wants to be creative, who's into drawing, who's into designing, this will be a perfect opportunity for them.
This school is a great stepping stone for anybody like myself that's trying to get into the automotive field and make a career off of this.
In here, it just gives you the stepping stones of higher potentials that you could become. You get certified and you get a degree.
It's actually so much more that they teach us in this school, especially as you go up in the grades.
This is what we do for our kids. You know, we really do give them the prep work and we point them in the right direction.
Alfred E. Smith has been part of the Bronx community for over 70 years. We are one of the leading CTE schools in all of New York City and even New York State.